first official YouTube video. So for starters, my name is Shannon, I'm 21 and I go to the University of Georgia. So for my first video I decided I was going to do a thrift haul. I haven't really been at the thrift store very often, but this last time I went I just saw so much stuff and I went crazy and I got this huge bag. So let's just get started. So starting off with pants, I got this really cool pair of camel pants. They're like that utility style, and I like them and they fit pretty well. I was really surprised. Out of like 20 things I got, like almost everything fit except for like 2 things that I still have to return. By the way, I went to America's Thrift. I like it way better than Goodwill. It's so much cheaper and I don't know, less picked over. So next, I just got this, another camo item. So I got this camo tank top. It was full length, but I cut it to a crop top because I just thought it would be cuter that way. Another pair of pants. I think these might be my greatest find. So I got these vintage, super high-waisted. They're LL Bean, but they're like vintage mom jeans. I already cut them. We'll see how they look in the try on, but I cut the bottom and I cut knees and then I just washed them to get them all distressed. And yeah, I really like them. I'm so excited to wear these. Last pair of bottoms, I think. I got these shorts. They're just like ripped with buttons up the front. They're the brand Refuge. I don't know really what that is, but I just thought they were good for summer. I had a trip to the beach planned before I got this stuff, so I wanted to get some cover-ups. So I got this long white one. It's the brand Islander, so I knew it was meant to be a cover-up. That's cool. I think it's really cute. It just like buttons up and it's like a quarter length or half length. I don't really know what sleeve this is. Next, I got a blue linen shirt. This one's like just normal shirt length, but it has buttons too. You can button up the sleeves. It's like, you know, that same length. And what's kind of cool is I like to tie it up, and the buttons like are covered up. And yeah, that is cute for over swimsuits. Next, I got a couple t-shirts. T-shirts are always the best at the thrift store. So first off, I got this really cool AC/DC one. I also cut this one already. It's like metallic looking. I thought it was really cool going out and stuff. Next t-shirt I got, I also cut. Crop tops are a thing, you guys. This is kind of weird. My sister thought it was weird too, but this is Chocopia. I don't really know, but this neon follows the new neon trend going on, so that was cute. The next t-shirt I got, I actually didn't cut this one, so surprise. It's just this like long black one. It says American Aquarium. Things change. I don't know. Thought it was cool. Good t-shirt to wear around instead of wearing all my Strat t-shirts, you know. Gotta change it up. I guess you would call this, it's not really a t-shirt. It's a top. I went out of my comfort zone with this one. I thought I could style it. You'll see if, I like it how I styled it, but you tell me. It has this sequin star on it, and it's like 3/4 length. It's actually, I don't know the brand Charter Club, but it's 100% Pima cotton, size medium, made in Vietnam. Yeah, I don't know. It's cool. Next, this was a pretty good find. I found this, another crop top, but I found this Topshop one, which is really cool, you know, just a simple ribbed gray. You know, always need that. This one's a little old, but I think I can make it work. It's kind of pretty trendy, as I would say. It's this cheetah like tank top, but I thought it'd be like kind of like lingerie or something, but if I tuck it into those jeans or just like wore it with jeans, I think it'd be really cool and more like a bodysuit type thing. So it has this lace at the top, and it, I don't know if you can see, but it has like sparkles kind of in it. Maybe with a jacket it'd be really cool. Next up, I found this, just a simple tank top, this like taupe gray, or taupe, yeah, color. This one actually had the boutique tags like still on it. It was like $32. Like, I don't know who would pay $32 for this, but it's cute. Good to tie up and for the summer and stuff. See, still going, got a lot of stuff, but it was cheap. Everything was like $2-4, which I think is awesome. I do not like spending a lot of money on clothes because I'm, first of all, broke. Second of all, just don't like spending a lot of money on clothes. This is probably one of my favorite things I got. It's this like animal print, like super vintage, but it's pretty, it's trendy, I would say. You could find this in a boutique. But what I like to do is, I don't really like this long part right here, so you'll see I tuck it in, because, I don't know, it just looks better that way, and it ties right here, and it has like a flap, really cute. Then I just found this crop top. I thought it'd be good for vacation and summer and stuff because of the pretty colors. I was surprised to find a top like this, but I don't know. I probably wouldn't buy this full price, but for a thrift store, fine. It's cute. Next, I found this top from Zara, which I was excited to find. It's just this black. It's not really a crop top, but it's a little shorter than a normal tee. It has these like sleeves that go like that, and I just thought it was better for a more professional look. I need to start doing that because I'm gonna be a senior, and I need more clothes than just going out and t-shirts. Now for the things that didn't work. I thought these shorts would be cute for vacation, but they just are too small, sadly. Luckily, I'll return them, probably buy more stuff. Oops. And then I also, I don't know why, I thought this Atlanta Soul, it's another crop top. It's no tag still on here. $2, but I'm still gonna return it. I don't know, it just looks weird. It's kind of just too small, I guess. I don't know. I don't even know what Atlanta Soul is. It says spin, but I don't think there's like a spin studio in Atlanta. You tell me if you know. That's all for the haul. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more from me, please subscribe. I know I'm new and there's so many YouTubers out there, but I think I'm cool.